Today, we're diving into a centuries-old tradition, the art of making achar, or pickle, using time-tested methods passed down through generations. In this video, we'll be preparing a vibrant, flavorful mango and carrot achar, rich in tradition and full of soul. We begin with 3 kilograms of raw, unripe green mangoes. Unripe, firm mangoes are ideal. Their tartness is key to a good pickle, and their firmness helps them hold shape through the process. Soak the mangoes in water for 4 to 5 hours. This step removes the white sap that seeps out after the stems are removed, a crucial step to avoid bitterness. Once soaked, rinse the mangoes thoroughly. Then spread them out on a clean cloth or towel to dry. Next, cut each mango into 7 to 8 pieces, removing the stone. Now for the carrots. I'm using 1 kilogram. Peel them first, then cut each one into 8 slim pieces. Time to prepare the curing mix. Use 100 grams of salt per kilogram of pickle, that's 400 grams for this batch, and 50 grams of turmeric per kilogram, giving us 200 grams. Mix the salt and turmeric well. Now coat the mango and carrot pieces in this golden blend. This step draws out excess moisture, prevents spoilage, and adds that iconic color. It also kickstarts preservation, the old-fashioned way. Transfer everything into a large pot or container. Cover it and let it rest for 1 day. The next day, you'll notice water released from the produce. Drain it off completely. This helps preserve the pickle and concentrate flavor. Now let the pieces dry for another day. Here, I've left them in the pot to dry, but you can spread them on a cloth, paper towel, or place them under the sun. Now, let's spice things up. Use 50 grams of whole spices per kilogram. So for 4 kilograms, we're using 200 grams nigella seeds, 200 grams fennel seeds, and 200 grams fenugreek seeds. Mix the spices well and combine them gently with the mango and carrot pieces. Work in small batches to ensure every piece is coated with flavor. Cover the mixture and let it rest for another day, giving the spices time to infuse. Now pour in mustard oil. enough to fully submerge all the mango and carrot pieces. This seals in the flavor, preserves the pickle, and gives it that signature depth. Cover and let it rest at least one more day. The longer it sits, the better it tastes. And there you have it, a bold, vibrant, and deeply rooted mango and carrot achar, made with care and time, just like it's been done for generations. Serve with your favorite meals, or enjoy it by the spoonful. If you loved this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more traditional recipes from the heart of the kitchen. Thanks for watching.